Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB Worth Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently resell on Poshmark, Mercari, Tradesy, and I send boxes into Thredup. So if you're interested in reseller tips, tricks, haul videos, then do me a favor and consider hitting that subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. Today happens to be Thredup Tuesday. So if you're all still joining me, thank you. I know, with all the changes, we are just like ready to lose our minds. But great news, they took away that verbiage for returned items. It doesn't mean that we're going to get paid out any faster. It doesn't mean that it's not returnable. It just means that they changed the verbiage because, yeah, that was a big whoops on their part, and it kind of freaked us all out. So and let's see, if I haven't said, there has been people getting responses back that, yeah, it'll take probably about 30 days for our goodie payouts. So there you go. I do have some sales, but I'm going to jump right on into my unsolds and reclaims. So let's take a peek at what I got back, Gal. All right. I did actually put numbers on because I did have somebody actually contact me on a piece. So this way it makes it hopefully a little bit easier for anybody. This is going to be item number 34. And this is an extra large. It is a parsley and sage, and it is this really super pretty dress with this, with two front pockets. It is super soft and yeah, just a short dress, long sleeve, V-neck. All right, this happens to be item number 35, which is an Ann Taylor loft. It is this draped cowl neck, long sleeve sweater in green, really super pretty. I don't believe it's made of anything special. Let's see. Nope, acrylic. Oh, 24% wool. So there is wool. It is a wool blend. But yeah, really super cute. I love all this little detailing. Next, item number 36 is a Cynthia. Oh gosh, all right, I'm not going to slaughter that poor woman's name. There you go. And it is a size 12, 100% silk dress, and it didn't sell. This is Ivana Trump, item number 37. It is an extra small. It is just this like little cap sleeve V-neck, actually more of a split collar, not a V-neck, sorry, split collar top. Item number 38 is a Tarte extra small mock wrap, like mini dress above my knee. Yes. Ah! Off the hanger. It does have a cute print on the bottom. It is super soft. If you haven't felt Tarte, oh my gosh, their fabrics are just so soft. So you can see the print on the bottom. Didn't sell. Put that over there. All right, this happens to be a J. Jill size large, and I believe it's 100% linen. Yep, 100% linen, button down, long sleeve, in this like, I don't know, it's not a vibrant turquoise, but it's a turquoise blue color. Me with tags. Item number 40 is a Bailey 44, size small, and it is this side ruche crisscross, and it has this gold netted see-through area here, sleeveless, and yeah, just like at the knee. This one I pulled because they had listed it wrong. They had it as a short sleeve top, and I contacted them. They didn't correct it, so I pulled it. It is Caslon, size small, and this is item number 41. It is just this, yeah, more of like a short sleeve sweater. Actually, it's not really short sleeve either. It's a little bit longer. It almost has like a little bat wing to it, but open knit. I don't think it's made of anything spectacular. Nope. It even says other fibers. All right. This is a Michael Kors, extra small, off the shoulder, like shirt dress, long sleeve, and yep. Oh, this one is absolutely gorgeous. So item number 43 is to die for. It's a canard size medium, and it is super cute. Look at that detailing. I love all this wooden bead color, and I don't think it's made of anything spectacular, but I'll look anyway. Let's see. What do you say? What do you say? In English, please. Nope, 100% polyester, but it is to die for gorgeous. The colors are beautiful in that reptile print. All right. Let's see. This is a BCBG Generation medium large, item number 44, and it is this green long sleeve high-low tunic sweater, and I don't believe you were made of anything special. Oh, 21% wool. So yes, 21% wool, so it is a wool blend. Oh, it also has little side slits. Ah, this one's so stinking adorable. Item number 45 happens to be, hold on, Haley Logan by Adriana Papel. It is a size 13-14, so it is a junior's size, but it is this gold, you can see, illusion neckline, little cap sleeve, gold netted, like a little fit and flare. That is so cute for the holidays. Absolutely adore it. All right, so item number 46 happens to be, this is Ellen Tracy, and it is a size 10, 100% silk. Oh, I'm sorry, it's Linda, I don't know, somebody for Ellen Tracy. Sorry, guys, can't read it. Anyway, and it is a maxi skirt in black with these, I don't know, meteorites, polka dots. There's like a brown. Do you see the detailing to the polka dots? There's like a brownness around them. A little different. And last item, number 47, is a Chico's 100% silk. As soon as I find the top of you. And what size are you? Size 2. Little mini skirt and a floral print. So those are my items that did not sell that will be listed. It takes me a while to list them, but feel free to contact me, especially with the numbers I just gave you. Now we'll go to the computer, see what's sold, see what's going on there. All right. Hey, before I start this, I do want to say a shout out to A Basic Earth. Christy, it was really nice meeting you at the thrift store. That was awesome. Just in case you are watching. Okay, so let's see. Here we are, guys. Let's go to my favorites. Now, I don't really like looking at this anymore since they kind of changed it where it's not really large, but this is the way you can tell if you have your goodie bags or your non-goodie bags. You go to your solds. If your hearted item, like I heart all my items, this one happens to be in solds, so this means this one was a regular sale. I had 2 sales this week. That means one is a goodie box pull, which I am not excited about. You know, there has been people being told we're not going to be paid out for 3 weeks on goodie box pulls. So, and the returns are kind of interesting. Anyway, we'll get to that in a little bit. Here is, I've got 2 labels that just arrived. It took a lot longer. I am like right outside of Phoenix, guys. They are my neighbor. And literally it took like 2 weeks for these boxes to get there. So that was kind of disappointing. And I did pay for expediting. And as you can see, it says longer than 7 days. people have been told that they are now doing the 3 weeks and that they are not honoring that 7-day that you purchased it if you purchased it at 7 days. I will just wait and see. Maybe mine will get processed in a timely fashion. These are 2 kits that are non-expedited, and they just keep getting pushed back. The number of kits that I do have selling are dwindling. It says 8. So let's look at those kits. Like these, I have only 2 items. I do like the new setup where you can see your items that have sold, the items that you are collecting. It really does kind of go through and help you. So you can see I've got 17 items reclaimed. This box is half done. I have 11 items that sold. I have 19 items that are still for sale. So in a fast glance, it really does help. And we'll move on to the sales. Oh, by the way, like this item, this is a newly processed box, but I reclaimed this item. They had it listed wrong. I contacted them. They didn't correct it. I'm not contacting them again. I reclaimed it the next time I had items to reclaim since they had not changed it. All right, so let's look at this kit. Oh, this is one of the ones that haven't been processing that long. And we'll just go down the row. Now, prior to them doing the change of in 30 days, they'll notify us of this price change thing. I was recollecting items that were of a lower dollar value, and I was listing those in my selling platforms. Now I'm letting them ride because I am overflowing and I'm not sending in duplicates currently into Thredup. And I'm not sure when I'm going to send my next boxes in. We'll just have to wait and see how this next couple weeks go with the goodie box pull and return issues. So this one is a regular sale. This one is a regular sale. Currently, I've had a total of 2 regular sales that have been returned, and I've had more goodie box pulls in the last week than I've had my entire time since April with them. This is a goodie box pull because it is my other sale for this week. So there you go. Oh, yay, I'm up 75 cents. Look at that, guys. All right. Now, this is still a newer process box, but yeah, let's see if there's any sales down here pending. 1 pending, and I have to go through and contact them on the one I haven't. This was a goodie box pull because there's no delivery date. That's the other way you can now see once it's delivered. If there's no date here, it's a goodie box, and they have quite a bit of time they're allowing. I am guessing that they are going to change their policy due to the fact that they have gone public for trading, and they will change it to 30 days soon is my projection, because they have 2 selling platforms. They have 30 days return policies on, which is Walmart and eBay. I haven't contacted them. That thing has been like that. I'm telling you, I just get so tired. It's just exhausting sometimes. All right. So let's take a look at this one. Where am I at this one? Oh, yay, I'm out of the hole, and we still have some time to sell. I have been marking my prices down. You can see, like this particular one, half of my items have expired and are sitting in my cart to be collected. I do have 1 pending sale. Let's take a peek at this one. Oh, I was wrong. This is my skirt that sold this week. I'm sorry. This one is my skirt that sold this week. And because it did not show up in my solds, this is the one that's pulled for the goodie box. The other one's is pulled for the goodie box also, but it's just, yeah. Sorry. So that one is the new one, my new sale. We'll see if I get paid out. All right, because there are a few that actually say returned. Okay, well, this one was a regular sale, I believe, and it was returned. The other one was my new with tags formal dress. I have 2 items I've gotten paid out, 3 that I have reclaimed, and nothing waiting to anything with. All right. This box, I didn't have any because it was an old Lux, so I'm up on that one. These two were goodie box pulls, and this one actually, it has been already 2 weeks. So they actually started the goodie box pull returns before they changed their wording, I personally believe. So, because this one's on 3 weeks right now, and it now says return and returned and 5 days to sell. This one is returned and 34 days to sell. But yeah, those are showing up on a few of my items, and it's making me a little cautious. 9 sold, nothing that is this week or pending. Okay, this is the one. This one was returned, new with tags. Also, guys, make sure you are checking when you get your items back. Last week I had a linen top that actually does have a hole in it, so I contact them, and I'll be doing that right after this. So this box, I still have a few more days, but this box again is going to be half expired. I am in a profit, but if I had to pay my expediting, it'd be even less. So, but I have like 5 days, 6 days on some of these items, so half of this box will be done very soon. And just remember, you can go through and put them in your cart, and your cart's good for your time. And when you click on your cart, I'll show you my cart at the end. So I've got 5 days on this one. How am I doing on this one? Ooh, whopping. So with these goodie box polls, it might totally change whether I send in the boxes. Continue. So I am waiting a little bit longer since I did have quite a few. I almost wish I didn't send those last 2 in until I waited a little bit longer, but it is what it is. Now this particular item was purchased straight out because it said in the solds on my favorites. So you know this item is going to a place, and it should have the 14-day return policy as far as we know. This one has been in transit, so yeah. All right. And I said what we were going to look at, and I've already just forgotten what the heck I said I was going to look at. Oh, my cart. Here we go. My cart. I have 11 items. I had 14 this week. So yeah, I am telling you, it is really going and dwindling. So I still have 4 days. So some of my items are 5 and 6. On my last day, I'm going to collect those items early. I'm not going to go through and wait on them. I'll just collect on them early if they haven't sold within the next couple days. But you just add to your cart, and you know, up to 35 items, and you can use your points. So it's no biggie. I actually have plenty of points, and I could do it multiple times. Just waiting to see. So there you go, guys. The week in a glance. You know, remember you can check what is hearted and say okay, and see if there's anything in your solds. That's how you're going to be able to tell if it's a goodie box or not. Like this one says sold, but it's not even in my sold, so I don't know where it's at. But there you go. Hope you have a good one. Hope you're selling lots.